Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. The sun's about to set, as you can see. So we'll get you this video real quick right now. Yes, you see a different bumper in the front. What did you do with the bumper, bro, in the front?
So that's an M5 style bumper. So basically, we cut the stock Accord bumper, kept the front half, the top half. We put the other one on the bottom, and then we use fiberglass to
like kind of redesign it
together.
Yeah, he kind of did it himself, so which is pretty impressive. Like, this actually fits. This is awesome. Look at this thing.
The only thing about this bumper, the Honda sensing.
Oh yeah,
it's covered.
the Honda sensing, yeah, it's covered. Yeah,
but you can easily.
You won't find that anyway. Yeah, you won't find that bumper anywhere unless you have it make it for you.
I don't like Honda sensing.
Yeah, the Honda sensing is not that accurate on the 2018 to 2020. But yeah, that's that. This is a different grille in the front as well. Except you,
OEM speaker.
but you wrapped it, right? Or
No, on the salsa.
on the cells, this one right here?
Yep.
Like this color?
So this silver and black.
Oh, that's nice. Yep. That's that. Looks pretty awesome. And yeah, chrome delete. Of course, redesigned bumper yourself, of course. And then what tints you got? Like 10%? 15?
No, those are 5. So.
Alright, so you got 5% tint. Looks pretty awesome on this, black on black. And I know you guys are staring at the white body kit right now. So let's ask the wheel setup first. What's the wheel setup in the front?
The wheel's 19 times 11 all around, plus 15.
And plus 15? And no spacers, right? You have spacers.
I do have spacers.
15s?
Spacers, this side is probably 5s.
Alright, the spacers are right there, like 5 millimeters.
Backs probably have 15.
And the back is 15, so to give it, to give it more, like pops out more. That's 15. Give it a side. Look at that. Yep, that's the setup. And then they're gonna be thinking, how you got this white body kit done?
How did I get it done?
Yeah, what'd you do?
So, what, to get it on and everything?
Yeah.
So you do have to cut your fenders.
Yep.
Not too much, but you do have to cut them, so...
You have to cut them, right? And then you have to install that over it.
Yeah,
so that's that. And going around.
It is on
the
bags.
visors and air tech. Yeah, so you got bags too, which is great.
I have stage 1, which is just 2 switches.
I like the
Oh, the carbon pillars.
The carbon pillars kind of protects the original glossiness from scratches and all that marks. Yeah, but the one underneath it is original, so it kind of protects that. And yeah, make sure you guys follow him. That's his IG right here. DM him if you have to. He loves to answer. I'm just joking. So yeah, just DM him. He'll get back to you. He's a pretty busy guy, so yeah, he's a busy guy, so he'll get back to you when he can. But yeah, he's got the.
People ask me about the diffuser.
Yeah, the diffuser. Yeah.
That's from
Downforce or S Factor?
Downforce Solutions.
The whole diffuser?
The whole diffuser. Yeah.
So that's from Downforce Solution. It's the whole diffuser right here in the bottom, including that grill on top, or no? Like that's from Honda, right? That piece. So it's just that bottom.
It's just
aggressive shark fins in the bottom and the sides.
It comes with a plate under this. I couldn't do it because of my mufflers, but you guys could probably pull that off.
Yeah. So what about the sides? Is this the middle piece or the sides as well?
No, it's the whole thing.
It's the whole kit?
Yeah, it's like $300.
$300 for this diffuser.
For the sides.
So the sides as well, and the middle part too. That's the side right here. That's that. And then what's up with the quad tips? Welded on?
No, those are bolted on.
They're bolted on, right?
Clamps on, yeah.
Cool. Yep, it's that right there.
I believe 3.5 inch.
3.5 inch.
Yeah.
All right, not bad. We got smoked out V1 tail lights right here. And going to the side. Yeah, this one is big. I haven't seen this one anywhere.
Yeah,
The roof spoiler.
I got on eBay.
Yeah, we don't want to mention it, but guys, we're in the US. Like, eBay is the only spot where you'll literally find parts for cars like this. Like JDM mostly. Yeah, and then of course a few brands, they have the same thing, they just brand it out and they sell it for more. It's the same thing.
Products are the same.
Yeah, his products are the same. Maybe
They're just suppliers.
it's just, yeah, just suppliers. You might get it quicker and stuff like that. That'd be the only
The
difference.
side skirt, you buy from High Rev, you'll probably pay 100, 200 more. You can buy from eBay. I mean, right now, they're skyrocketing.
Oh yeah,
Like
because
200.
the shipping is expensive, the shortage and everything. That's why. Just like the cars are being expensive too. But yeah, that's on this side. Comment below what you guys think and what's your favorite part of this. And yeah, as you can see, I forgot to mention, you got the slotted the brake, the rotors. See how they make a huge difference when you have those. Huge difference. But yeah, I'll have him give you guys a start and a few revs, right? And then I'll make a very short clip from inside, sitting inside the car. He's got an HKS blow-off valve as well. His exhaust setup is custom, so DM him for that, please. Follow him. He's got the side skirts. If you want these side skirts, they look pretty aggressive and pretty nice with the aerodynamics. So you can get it from Aeroworks Sport website. They could use the discount code RLM5. Look at that. That's a nice shot over here. It's a clean shot. Yep. But yeah, I'll definitely have him do a startup and a few revs for you guys. And this thing pops too. So stay tuned. I'm ready. I can't even hear myself. Alright guys, that's that. So that's how it sounds inside. No drone at all. It's loud on the outside, which is great. This custom setup he's got is dope. I like it. You got all the pops and everything. Let me just pull down the window real quick a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but he's got an HKS blow-off valve. Sounds pretty fire. I actually got a rolling clip of him, so I'll add that to this video for you guys to see how it sounds. And he's on AirTech bags, which you feel a lot bumpy roads and stuff like that. The comfortable ones are the airlift. It costs about $3 grand. Yeah. A lot of you guys must be thinking like, what that is. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Look at that. That's a napkin holder. It looks pretty awesome. If you want to know what his setup is and stuff like that, make sure you guys follow him on his IG. And DM him if you have to. Yep. Let's see if we can get nice. Oh, we'll wait. We'll wait.
Hesitated.
That was too fast.
It's too fast. You can't.
Yeah.
You look like it, otherwise you came closer, man.